I know what you mean. The scanner gun.
No. Okay, I was all over here, right? And the fucking light reflects off the bag, and it looks like you're scanning me at Publix. Like, you know, the you know how the you know how the line thing. Okay.
Wait, and correct me if I'm wrong, but you cannot hurt chickens.
You can hurt chickens.
You can't.
You know what you're.
Hold on.
No, you scoop them in the hen house.
I don't even want to know at the moment. I'm not. No comment on my part.
No.
Chelsea, this is.
Listen. No.
Wait, Allie, be quiet. Chelsea,
I'm
this is gonna be
completely fine.
This is gonna be.
Oh, completely fine, are we?
No, okay,
Totally.
no, when you.
Totally, bro.
No,
Totally.
dude, no. Like, when
So
you're
it's a fucking pipe, dude.
Dude, I'm so not high right now. I'm so not high.
No,
Should've said
because
look.
you know, like when you're a farmer, right, and you got the fucking chickens in the fucking coop. You know what I'm talking about?
The mini coop? Is it a mini coop?
And they're all.
Is it a mini
Is it a
coop?
mini coop?
Okay, whatever. And then there's fucking.
Chelsea, how funny is this gonna be in the morning? You have to send me this.
I will. It's still going on YouTube.
No, okay, so you.
Yes, it is.
No.
No, it goes on Facebook.
What? No, okay, so you got the fucking chickens and they're in the coop, right? And then they're all spread apart. But what happens when you want to feed them or something? You gotta put them in the corner. They go like that.
There's no way we can go to the movies with that.
Okay, no, because you.
I get what you're saying, but it's just really funny.
I'm not trying to make it make a point. Why are you talking about this?
Okay, I'm done. Say bye.
I